The murder trial of Duane Keffe Davis, who is charged with 1 count of murder with a deadly weapon of the legendary Tupac Shakur, has started on Monday morning. Now, on day 1 of the trial, the prosecutors laid out their case. In their opening statement, the prosecutor called the murder of Tupac, quote, act of revenge for an attack on Orlando Anderson, who was Keffe D's nephew. Earlier in the evening, prosecutors played a video of that attack and the audio of Keffe D talking in 2008 about the night of the murder, and said Keffe D displayed quote-unquote visceral anger over the past 30 years towards Tupac.
Let me tell you something, my brother. Tupac never jumped on him. He was by himself. He didn't my nephew never jumped on no fucking Tupac. Come on, man. Tupac was wrong with 2 left fucking shoes, nigga. I mean, don't you think he was wrong? Honestly. He never jumped, my nephew didn't jump on him. He jumped on my nephew, a kid, man. My nephew was a fucking kid. Them was grown-ass men, dude.
Now, in the defense opening statements focused on poking holes in the evidence linking Keffe D to Tupac's murder. The defense attorney questioned why hasn't Keffe D been charged earlier after admitting to his role in the murder, and called his past statements all bullshit. He also criticized the detective's work previously assigned to the case, calling the work biased, sloppy, and incomplete.
Exactly. Because he went to the fight. You would think, a fight like this, you want to show everyone that you went to the fight. There's no evidence at all that man would be in the fight. When you take fact versus fiction, really at the end of the day, what you're going to hear from witnesses that will testify to this is that Keffe D was known to do this. That's the testimony you're going to hear in this case. That's what you're going to hear about that man right there. And so you have to ask yourself the question, if I just say things, is that going to end up being one of those things where I'm going to be end up for a murder by just keep repeating that fiction? I keep repeating that? The answer is no. You have to corroborate everything I say in order for it to be true. Otherwise, it's just that. Or and at the end of all the time you spend together, what you're going to find is that the state cannot prove to you beyond reasonable doubt the claim that Keffe wasn't had anything to do with a first-degree murder with use of deadly weapon.
The prosecutors and the defense have laid out their case. Let me know what you think in the comments of the Tupac murder trial.